fix Discord stuck on a gray screen. How to fix Discord stuck on a gray screen. So many users right now, they are facing the same issue. Now to fix that issue, if Discord is stuck on a gray or black screen, here are steps to fix it. Number one, restart Discord. Close Discord completely using the task manager, or please the Control plus Shift plus escape to open the task manager. Look for Discord under the process tab, right click and select end task and reopen Discord again. Now the second step, clear Discord cache. So locate and delete the cache of cache files. Number one, press Windows plus R, type %app data, % and hit enter. Find the Discord folder, open it and delete the cache, code cache and GPU cache folders. Number four, relaunch Discord. The step number three, disable hardware acceleration. If you can access settings, open Discord, go to user settings, advanced. Number three, turn off hardware acceleration. Number four, restart Discord. So if you can't access Discord, open Discord from a web browser instead, or disable hardware acceleration in browser settings or switch to another browser. Number four, check internet connection. Make sure your internet is stable, restart your router or try switching to another network. Number five, run Discord as an administrator. Right click on the Discord shortcut and select run as an administrator. Step number six, reinstall Discord. So you install or uninstall Discord completely. Number one, press Windows plus R, type appwiz.cpl and press enter. Number two, find Discord, right click and select uninstall and reinstall the latest version from Discord website, of course. Number seven, or step number seven, check for Windows update. So ensure your system is updated. Press Windows plus I to open settings. Go to update and security. Check for updates. Sorry, guys. So step number eight, use compatibility mode. Right click on Discord shortcut. Select properties, compatibility tab. Check run this program is compatibility mode 4. Or check run this program in compatibility mode 4 and choose an older version of Windows. And after that, click apply and OK. Number 9, check graphic drivers, update your GPU drivers, open device manager, Windows plus X, device manager, and after that, expand display adapters, and after that, right click your graphics driver and select update driver. Number 10, and the last step, if none of the above works, reach out to Discord support for assistance. So this is how to fix Discord stuck on a gray screen. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.